Bonjour YouTube, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bienvenue dans ce nouveau stream tranquille, toujours sur Xenoblade Chronicles 3. Il s'est passé beaucoup de choses les dernièrement. On a affronté la reine, on a appris que c'était un androïde, on a cru comprendre que le grand méchant, c'était le consul N, donc le Noah le plus âgé, bref. On a appris qu'il n'était pas seul, puisque on l'a découvert en compagnie d'une Mio plus âgée également, avec les cheveux plus longs. Qu'est-ce qu'on pourrait dire d'autre? On a rencontré les égarés. Alors les égarés, ça je l'ai pas dit, mais alors en termes de traduction, les égarés, alors je suis pas très fort en anglais, mais en anglais là, alors pareil en japonais encore moins, mais en anglais c'est les Lost Numbers. C'est pas tout à fait les égarés quand même, hein, les Lost Numbers. Ça ferait plus penser justement à des sujets d'expérience qui se sont égarés ou qu'on a égarés. Parce qu'apparemment, eux aussi, c'est des Ouroboros. Alors, pourquoi, comment, on n'en sait rien. Pourquoi, comment, elle, c'est la fille de machin, on n'en sait rien non plus. Alors, comme elle nous l'a expliqué, c'est vrai que pour les protagonistes, pour les personnes qu'on incarne, le concept de parentalité, c'est un truc qui est... oulala, on sait pas trop. Mais du coup, elle, ça veut dire que c'est une humaine normale, entre guillemets, dans le sens où elle n'est pas née génétiquement à l'âge de 10 ans comme nous autres. Donc comment est-ce qu'elle est devenue une Ouroboros? euh, Pourquoi est-ce qu'elle cache son œil? Qui c'est qui pourrait la retrouver elle? Est-ce que c'est toujours est-ce que c'est le consul N qui pourrait la retrouver? Parce que c'est ce qu'il nous disait, ils peuvent nous suivre à la trace, c'est pour ça qu'on est obligé de porter un bandeau. Bref, en fait, chaque fois que le jeu répond à une question, chaque fois que le jeu nous donne une réponse, il pose trois questions. Donc, c'est chouette, mais ça commence à faire beaucoup. Donc j'aimerais bien avoir des réponses au bout d'un moment. Après, c'est peut-être à cause de moi qui joue trop lentement. Ok, pardon. Décidément, pardon. Donc là, le jeu, on est passé de Keves versus l'autre patrie dont je me rappelle jamais le nom, à Moebius versus les égarés, les Lost Numbers.
This is the city.
It sure took us long enough. We shouldn't relax just yet, though.
Why the spark not?
We don't even know if they're really our allies yet. We can't get complacent.
Still on guard, huh?
Unlike some of you daydreamers, yes.
I'd like to believe them. Their eyes. They look the same as his.
They said they opposed Mobius, didn't they? It should be okay then, to trust them.
The enemy of our enemy is our friend. Gotcha.
Bloody Sparks. Why do I bother?
Thank you, Tyon, for looking out for us.
Yeah, sure. Whatever. I'll follow your lead. But please, stay vigilant.
Of course we will.
New colony entries have been registered. There's been a change in colony relations.
Ok, donc la cité, il me la compte comme une colonie, mais putain, ça a l'air... C'est un peu fat, ouais. Même ça fait très Matrix. Ah, comment elle s'appelle, la cité dans la première trilogie Matrix? Zéon? Non. Oh, bref, je sais plus. Je suppose qu'on continue à suivre Shania,
Are there
qu'il en
really so many
coûte.
people? This is beyond anything we could have imagined.
Ouroboros.
Ouroboros, yeah. So they're Ouroboros?
And they're from Kevus and Agnes.
But they're just a bunch of kids.
Watch yourselves. There could be secret spies. It's over. This place will be a war zone.
They're all whispering about us.
I feel we're not exactly welcome here.
Uninvited guests, one might say.
They're the ones who led us here. Oh, hey! Doesn't she look similar to the Mobius we fought at Colony 4?
It's true. Wrinkly prune faces abound here.
Manana spy tiny people too! It's whole undiscovered race!
No. They must be humans just like us.
So you're Ouroboros, eh?
You've got what, 1 or 2 years left? Some hope you are.
Don't know why Van Dam wasted that power on you. What was he thinking?
What's your problem? Mind your manners.
Let me introduce you. These were our Ouroboros candidates. They trained relentlessly to fight against Mobius. Each and every one of them. That includes Shania there.
Candidates?
You happy that you stole Ouroboros from us?
All right, that's enough. Whatever the reason, the old man did choose him. To be fair, they have gone against quite a few Mobius already. They're the real thing, all right. You heard Shania's reports.
What reports?
I had her monitor your actions with extreme scrutiny. All the way from the valley.
Huh?
Since way back then?
Together, we are united in our cause.
Miss Vandam.
All right then.
Please, it's not their fault. They're not a bad lot, really.
That's easy for you to say.
Well, that was awkward as all ash. We've made some new friends.
Oui, et puis aux dernières nouvelles, on n'a pas demandé à les avoir, nous, les pouvoirs des Ouroboros. Il est mignon celui-ci aussi.
All right. We've made some new friends.
I smell cooking. Smells good. How
Ah, c'est bon, on est plus obligé de la suivre, on peut manger?
I'm getting peckish. Do we have any snacks? Thanks for the food.
Allez, let's go. Hein.
All finished. I look forward to
Impeccable ça.
tasting it.
Ah non, 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 c'est pas... Mélange toujours les boutons entre Nintendo et les autres.
Right then. Should we get a move on?
Et là c'est chiant parce que ce soir je vais vouloir redémarrer la PlayStation et si je relance Prince of Persia je vais me foutre dedans parce que les contrôles machin. Bref. Oui, je sais, ma vie pourrait être pire, je vous l'accorde.
Oh, so that's how they're doing.
Et croyez-moi, elle pourrait être bien plus réjouissante.
Oh, so that's how they're doing.
Si je descends là, ça m'y amène au trésor ou... Non, bah quitte à être là, autant explorer. Hein. On dirait que c'est bloqué, ok. Alors, excusez-moi.
Oh, my plumage is everywhere.
Bon, bah encore une fois, là c'est derrière une porte. Peut-être une fois qu'on aura amélioré notre relation avec la cité.
Let me check. Appears we can pass through here.
Oh, ouais, crotte. Ta mère.
All right.
T'es revenu là, toi. C'est l'heure de la 3e sieste. Comme les hobbits avec les petits déjeuners. Alors, je peux aller par là, 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 là. Toujours la musique incroyable. Hein. Putain, je sais pas où ça nous amène toute cette histoire là, mais écoutez. Ah non, je pensais que c'était un truc à récupérer, pas du tout. Hop là, attention de... Ah mais c'est quand même fat hein. Ah, il y a un coffre là, j'ai vu. Oh putain, tout ça pour un coffre. C'est pas grave, il intéresse bien le coffre quand même. Hein.
Let's just sneak a peek. These are worth a bit, right? Let's put it away for safekeeping.
Putain, il faut que je pense à l'aider. Il faut que j'aille dépenser les doublons en argent là.
Gotta keep our strength up.
Ouais, mais là en vrai, je crois que je suis vraiment en train de prendre beaucoup trop d'avance sur.
Let's just sneak a peek.
This is valuable. I'll hang on to it.
Let's put it away for safekeeping. We've been to quite a few places now.
Est-ce que j'avais d'autres trucs à explorer? Il me semble que oui. Bon, bah là, on sait qu'il y a deux. J'ai pas la moindre putain d'idée d'où ils peuvent être. Et je me bats toujours avec mon mort de micro. Pourquoi elle veut pas choper l'échelle, cette... Je crois que Cloud commence à avoir faim. Ouais. Ça, c'est pas encore heure de manger, gros. Hein. Il reste encore 1 heure quand même. Voilà, et après là, je pouvais aller par là aussi. Et par là, j'ai pas été voir. Voilà, normalement, je... Ah, j'allais dire je ressors, mais en fait, pas du tout. Il y a juste un point de un point de vue de fou furieux. C'est incroyable. Ok, ok. Du coup, après, on peut aller de l'autre côté. Est-ce qu'il y a encore quelque chose à voir de l'autre côté seulement? Non, et après, ça fait un petit peu haut pour sauter. Non, bah là, je crois que c'est... Je crois que c'est bon. Pour les plus vieux... Petit côté Appleseed, peut-être. Peut-être. Je crois que ça va faire mal. Ouais, ça fait mal. Oh, sa mère. Ça fait mal. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Let me just fix this.
Il y a juste une petite chose à régler.
Huh? Hey, did you guys hear something?
Every day's a training day.
juste que je fasse une petite chose.
Right, what have we got around here?
Merde, j'ai fait une connerie.
Huh? Hey, did you guys hear something?
J'arrive, hein.
Every day's a training day.
Bon, c'est pas grave.
Huh? Hey, did you guys hear something?
Du coup, attends, merde. Non, il fallait que je revienne sur mes pas là.
All right.
Must stop.
Can't be happening.
Mobius.
Il grippe moins facilement que dans les autres, les échelles. Hein, là. Attends, du coup, parce que là... Ouais, je me suis bien éloigné quand même. Ah merde, c'est pas encore là qu'il fallait que j'aille. Ah bah si, en fait.
You said that you were monitoring us earlier. So is that why you stormed the castle?
After the Ouroboros stone activated, Shania relayed the info straight back to us. So I'd been looking for a chance to contact you.
Oh, really?
We reckoned that you would just head straight here. What we did not expect was for you to dive straight into the heart of the enemy's base. I was flipping out. Your actions were so reckless. I started to wonder if our saviors were just a bunch of raving lunatics. It kind of looked that way.
That's a little too harsh.
Sorry, poor choice of words. How about hotheads?
Yeah, that's not a lot better.
Still, it helped us complete one of our primary objectives. securing a number of growth modules.
What are those?
I'll show you. You'll find it quite interesting. It's the very reason why we fight.
Oh bah, ça a l'air intéressant tout ça.
Now I know how you guys felt in Colony 4.
Right? At least they warmed up to us eventually. Maybe it'll be the same here.
We're now more or less above the Sword's Hilt Guard. Even this place was once ravaged by war. By Kevis and Agnes.
Has the war really spread this far?
There's even more. More husks underneath. Thanks.
This right here is what the world is really like. Designed to keep us shackled.
Keep us shackled?
On va attendre un peu la suite, mais pour l'instant, c'est pas ce que j'appelle des révélations de ouf. Hein.
Hey, no. You know that pile of husks earlier? You aren't thinking about sending those on, are you?
Aren't those...
Cradles.
Your so-called cradles are the growth modules that birthed you. You were conscripted from birth, trained to kill one another ruthlessly and steal each other's life. That life energy pours into the flame clocks, becoming the fuel that feeds Mobius. In order for Mobius to exist, they must continue to claim life energy. And these cradles right here, they're used to recycle your lives.
Ethel.
Yeah. You live your lives in servitude so that Mobius can exist. And even in death, there's no release. You'll just keep getting recycled.
No way.
There's your shackles. Soldiers bound by Mobius's shackles are destined only for mutual destruction. Those who lose their lives in battle, they're reborn anew. They wake from a castle cradle, a blank slate without a scrap of their former memories.
Wait. Then that husk I saw.
But if we keep your lives bound to the bodies, as we're doing here, they're of no use to them. This way, we can whittle away at their power.
So you've been doing this over and over again, then?
That's right. You don't want to know for how long, believe me. And yet, the price we pay to take down just a handful of Mobius is immeasurable. The city's residents, we're all descendants of the first Ouroboros.
The first Ouroboros?
What's a descendant?
Right. That's not a word you'd have any use for either, I suppose. Better to see for yourselves. Come, I'll show you.
Ok, donc en fait, on vit juste pour que les Moebius
So we're born to fight.
survivent, vive.
We die. Over and over and over.
I can hardly believe it, but it was Ethel, without a doubt.
À voir si elle nous fournit après des informations sur justement ce que sont les Ouroboros, les premiers Ouroboros surtout. Parce que là c'est pareil, on voit des Nopon, ils ont pas l'air...
Getting late. We should find somewhere
Ça
to
a l'air
rest.
bien les Nopon. Hein. Là, on arrive dans les quartiers chics là ou quoi?
Where are we?
This is a maternity ward.
Maternity?
Doctor, may I? Come.
It's so small.
It's a little person.
It's so teensy tiny, but it moves.
Much rejoicing! It's okay to touch her. Gently now. She's so warm. Place one finger in her palm. Hey, Sana! Look at this! You need to try it too!
Oh,
Whoa, you're right! Mimi, it's incredible!
let me have a turn. What? This is incredible, Senna.
Funny, right? But this is human beings' true nature. If you want the ins and outs, go and ask the doctor.
All right then, lads and lasses. Who wants to know how babies are made?
it should be. This is human nature. We are born defenseless, grow up. Then those who find a spouse create new life together, age, then return to the earth. Thank you. I mean it.
Monica, what was that word you used? Spouse?
A partner in romance. The feeling of having someone very precious to you. That'd be one way of putting it. You'll understand too someday. Or it might be that you already do.
Pardon, je disais, le docteur, il est moitié sympa, moitié creepy quand même. Hein. Qui c'est qui va apprendre à faire la bébé? Ah merde, elle est où? Mais non. Mais ouais, j'avoue que là, pour nos pauvres petits protagonistes, ça fait quand même beaucoup de choses à encaisser là.
Tyon, look.
It looks the same as the one before.
Who are they?
The first Ouroboros. The founders, we call them.
The first Ouroboros?
That one. She looks a bit like Mimi. Look at this. He's got Noah's chin.
And the others don't look like anyone.
Tell us about them.
Long, long ago, they gained the power of Ouroboros. It let them match Mobius blow for blow. The city folk you see here, we're all descended from them.
Bound by their blood?
It was the queens, so they say. Kevis and Agnes. Their powers united created Ouroboros. Ouroboros are the only ones that can take down a Mobius. Although, there can only be 6 Ouroboros alive at one time. By activating the stone's cage here, those with aptitude can become Ouroboros.
Only 6? Why so few of them? I get it. That's why they got so upset.
Finally clicked? There's only so many seats and stones. The one that my father was moving, It took a long time to be found.
Think I'm finally getting the gist of this whole Ouroboros deal. But the queens?
Not those sham figureheads in the castles. The real queens.
Yes, real queens. I knew that soulless piece of clockwork junk wasn't the real deal. Does that mean our queen is false too?
We're still trying to pinpoint the true queens. They're out there somewhere, sleeping.
What for?
Why else? To take our world back from Mobius and set things to rights. The true queens will help us there.
Hang on a bleeding second. Ouroboros were born, like, generations ago, right? But you said the queens are sleeping. Are there humans who can even live that long?
Now that I don't know too much about.
Then what do you know?
Well, the legend goes that both of the queens, their lifespans are supposed to be incomparably longer than ours.
And you're pinning your hopes on that?
At the moment, that's about all we can do.
All right. So, when the world is back to rights, then what?
The people you've seen here, the way they live their lives, that could be everyone. Babies, children, adults, the old, they're all a part of nature's cycle.
And that would go for us too?
There'll be more to life than just fighting to survive. We'll weave the tale that we were always meant to tell.
Don't give up. 10 years? You kids deserve better. The only thing that can change all this is the will of Ouroboros. You kids and your lot.
Though, some of us around here still ain't too keen on the idea.
What?
So, those people from before,
They're happy living in the moment. As long as they can hide away and cover their eyes, they don't give a damn about the rest.
So our lives mean nothing to them.
If they can't see or hear you, then as far as they're concerned, you don't even exist.
closing their eyes to what's in front of them.
A lot of folks here think that way.
But that's just like Mobius. Then the only difference is whether or not they benefit directly.
You catch on quick. I can see why my dad chose you guys. But the will of the Founders, it lives on in us warriors. Mobius can't reign forever. If we can continue freeing young folk like you, maybe life can get back to how it should be. That would be best for all of us.
For sure. I'm with you. I think we'd have to be lunatics not to believe you, after what you've shown us.
I believe it too. Seeing how you live your lives, it made me feel really envious. Feeling that warmth, part of nature's cycle. We need to protect that. I agree. It was so precious.
Bah super, de manière il n'y en a plus qu'un. Pardon.
Man, I think I need some time to process all this. Yeah. Quite a weight to carry. Absorbing all this in one go.
Je pense que je vais pouvoir disparaître. Oh, c'est trop tentant, on va aller discuter avec lui, on va voir ce qui se passe un petit peu autour et puis après on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui.
We've made some new friends.
Ah ouais d'accord, mais ça se passe vraiment comme dans une colonie. Plein de loups là-bas, si je fais ça... Ouais, là-bas aussi il y a quelque chose. Ça a l'air bien fat aussi, hein. Ça a l'air bien fat. C'est que je vous fais... Où est-ce qu'elle a dit qu'on pouvait faire à bouffer par contre? Vous avez dit dans ce coin là-bas, mais... Ah oui, le camp là, d'accord. Il y a un camp ici, très bien. Ok, bon, ben, ce qu'on va faire, c'est que on va sauvegarder ici. J'ai toujours pas ouvert les trucs, là, faut vraiment que je le fasse.
We have to keep track of our progress.
Ok, donc on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. Normalement, on se retrouve demain, même heure, je pense. Peut-être un petit peu plus tôt demain, je vous dirai ça. Twitch, YouTube, je vous fais un bisou. Je vous dis à bientôt. Ciao!